you doing, everybody? So I guess I got some explaining to do. So no, I'm not selling the car or nothing. I just ran into some unfortunate situations. So the car is going to get shipped off to storage. So what had happened is I was starting to outgrow this garage and looking to expand. So we went and bought another house. The problem with this other house is it needed a lot of interior work, which I'm going to put some pictures up above here. So first we did some knocking of a wall down, redid the kitchen, and then I'm going to show you another picture of the backyard. Now this backyard is where I had planned on building myself a very nice large garage to continue working on this car. So in the process of doing all this, we put this house up for sale. We actually had this house almost sold and under contract when the coronavirus happened. So once this took place, things got a little hairy. So moving forward, the buyer backed out of that contract deal the last day he was able to. At basically the same time, everything went on complete lockdown. So from like 2 months straight, we've had absolutely no interest in selling this house, which means there's no possibility of building my other garage. So what we wound up doing is where we're at today is we're moving out of this house. This garage has to get cleared out and the MR2 has to go on a trailer and go to the storage facility. So in the meantime, stand by. Let's hope things work out for the best for me. And in the meantime, we'll get this car turned around on a trailer and outside for the first time. Well, let's hope this is only temporary. In the meantime, with all this stuff going on in the world, I've made a few videos and hadn't have time to edit them. So between moving and everything, now that all that's wrapped up, I should be able to put out a few videos. In the meantime, thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.